In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MACD indicator in Tradingview. The MACD is a popular momentum tool that helps you see when a trend might be strengthening, weakening, or getting ready to turn to begin. Open your chart. Any market or time frame works, and it helps to have enough price history visible so the indicator has room to display useful information. Next, click the Indicators button at the top of the chart. In the search bar, type MACD, then select the standard option called Moving Average Convergence Divergence. As soon as you click it, the MACD will appear in a new pane below your main price chart, so your candles stay uncluttered. Let's quickly break down what you are looking at. The MACD line, often shown in blue, is the difference between two exponential moving averages. The 12-period EMA minus the 26-period EMA. When this line rises, it suggests the shorter-term trend is pulling ahead of the longer-term trend. The signal line, typically orange or red, is a 9-period EMA of the MACD line itself. It smooths out the movement so you can see turns more clearly. The histogram, shown as green and red bars, displays the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. When the bars grow, momentum is expanding. When they shrink, momentum is fading. If your colors look different, that's okay. Styles can vary by theme and you can customize them in a moment. To adjust settings, hover over the MACD label on the left side of the indicator pane and click the gear icon. You'll see the inputs with 12 for the fast length, 20, 6 for the slow lengths, and 9 for the signal. These defaults work well for most strategies because they balance responsiveness with stability. If you are new, stick with them while you get familiar with how the lines and histogram behave. Now click the Style tab. Here you can change the colors of the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram, as well as the line thickness. Choose colors that stand out clearly against your background and consider making lines slightly thicker for better visibility. When you are happy with the look, press OK to save it. This only changes appearance, not how the indicator calculates. That's it. Thanks for watching.